levitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I'll stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up. Holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome. Let's have a great day. Let's get it, guys. Jay Coriano, what's going on? Just my style. It's up, man. You went for a walk today. It's J3 in the house. What's up? Pot to Scott. Anthony Torres. How's it going, guys? Adam. Thanks, guys, for being here. All right. Wow, it was a crazy, I would say crazy morning. Crazy morning. What's up? What's up? Tough day. Plenty of blown accounts. That's right. Plenty of blown accounts. As long as the account that really matters are okay, then I think you're kind of protected. But I think you're kind of protected. All right, guys. All right. So what am I thinking this market, guys? It's tough to say. I think we're gonna wait. We're gonna have to wait for the open because we had a chance to break underneath the 29,400. We found a way to get a bounce, right? So I'm kind of thinking maybe if we try to hold this, we have a bit of a short-term bounce, right? That could potentially take us back into the 61.8 Fibonacci, and that would be right into that 700 area. So we'll keep an eye on how it opens, right? If we get here to the upside and go, they'll probably have a chance of a continued bounce short term. I'm looking for a bounce attempt and see if we can actually try to get above 620. And if we can try to hold that, we probably have a good chance. Sorry, 625. We probably have a good chance of a bounce back into 750-ish area. So that's about 100 points. If we get a rejection of this level, if we end up pulling back into the 510-ish, and that's right underneath the entry of this previous candle, then I think we probably look for a a pullback here, potentially a shorting opportunity. So we'll see how it goes, guys. Right at the open, I think it's going to be important that we try to get here to the upside and tries to hold. We tried to get a bounce, but I don't think we had enough time to see the market try to curl into above the pivot. So we kind of held. Well, I wouldn't say we're not necessarily overly too bearish at this point. I mean, just from a 1 minute standpoint, we just got into the VWAP here, got above the pivot. Just got into the VWAP, right? So we'll have to wait and see now. This is going to be important. I want to see this thing get above minimum 580. Yeah, I would say 580 bare minimum. And then look for that level to try to hold, right? 580. That's the significant level. Every time we try to kiss above 580, we ended up getting rejection. So that's going to be an important area to kind of watch. Okay. But the fact that we actually ended up getting a bounce off that 480-ish makes me believe maybe we have a short-term bottom here. So we'll see how it kind of goes. So I'm kind of neutral coming here tonight. I'll look to see if we can hold the 530 to 520 area. If you hold that, then I think we probably move back into the 590 to start off with. What's up? Srini here in the house. What's up, guy? What's up? All right, so I think we got about a minute left. I'm gonna start the day trading. What again? Yeah, I'll be trading NQ. And we'll see how it kind of goes. I hope it's not a slow price action here today. I hope it's a slightly better. This morning was awful. So I'm hoping that we get a better price action here tonight. And let's, more than trading, let's try to have some fun as well. And then kind of go from there. Everybody, good luck. Let's go. Justin Ryder here in the house. Let's go. Baby. Okay. So where's that money that I requested with Tradify? Still not hit the bank. So if you're Canadian and you are going through the rise, they are pretty slow, by the way. Rise is no bueno, guys. I like the PayPal better. They're way faster. But rise takes about 3 days. So no Sakachito. But it is what it is.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. Already gave my outlook the DLY just a few minutes ago. All right, we kind of tapped into the 580, not quite there, but we got pretty close, 580 guys. So if that is supposed to be rejection there, we probably have some ways to go down, but we'll see. So far, we're kind of holding this, right? So I'm going to try to go long on a pullback here into the 550 and then look for that to give us that bit of a bounce. And then look for, guys, man, look at this. Wow. Look at this. The market trying to get a bounce. We're 0.25% to the upside. Looks bullish here coming in tonight, everybody. Wow. Okay. I see where this is going, everybody. Oh, no. Don't get filled. There would have been monies, by the way. There would have been monies that actually got filled. Why am I trying to put my limit order at 600? It's supposed to be at 590, but anyways, I don't know if that really matters, to be honest. But wow, man, look at this, guys. Looks like it wants to pierce through that. Okay, so I'm gonna have my my limit order here at 605. Wow, profit factor. Wow, member for over 6 months. Yo, bro. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, brother. Wow. A big shout out to Mr. Profit Factor 0411. Oh, let's go. Guys. Come on. Is this actually going to keep moving here?
Order filled.
Oh, guys, I'm in trouble. Is this going to get a real squeeze here? Are we in a squeezy mode? You tell me. Uh-oh. The Asian market is fired up, guys. Way better than New York now. Incredible, guys. What a pump here. Right from that 550 all the way into the 613. That's about 60 points right off the bat, guys. Way more than the rubbish we had this morning. Guys, we are back here. Wow. I need a little pullback, though. Can we? Just a small little pullback. I mean, nothing truly that significant. Boy, man, it just kind of feels like, maybe we get a squeeze. We're already up 0.3%, guys. That's 100 points bounce here right now. Let me just take a look at my swing trading account. Just kind of gauge where we're at in the moment. Is the market going to get a bounce? ELF, wow. ELF is into the $100. You've got to be kidding, guys. ELF, $100 mochaccino. Celsius is killing as well. Wow. Woo. It's hot. It's getting hot in here. So think of all your clothes. Wow, we had an 8%
Order
bounce.
filled.
Oh, off you go, guys. My order got filled. Let's look for look for a little pullback here down, guys. On the VWAP. I'll pull back into the VWAP, guys. 590. Maybe a little more, guys. Maybe a little more. Pull back into the 586 and look for that to be bouncer. So, wow. A lot of stuff actually got a bounce, guys. A lot of stuff today. Towards the end, I think after hour, things are looking slightly better. Crazy. What's got my I wonder what it's gonna be. Netflix is looking pretty good, by the way. 크리스님 어떡해. Netflix is into the 80 bucks. Man, I am so tempted to just try to load in some Netflix here. Netflix calls, but boy, I'm gotta be careful. No, don't do it, StockTiger. Leave it alone for now. Leave it alone. Okay, gold? What's going on with gold? Holy Frappuccino, guys, into 45.80, guys. What a bounce on the gold. What does that mean? Are we going to have a big inflation story coming up pretty soon here? What was the I did not see the FOMC minutes meeting. Does anybody know anything about the minutes meeting? I'm assuming it was nothing burger, right? So you obviously saw this market kind of chop here today with a little grind down, but we are pulling back here, guys. There's a little bit of a crash here happening. 593. Big Belly, what's going on, man? Oh, Big Belly, how's your trades going? I haven't talked to you in a while. All right, my Discord link, I'll share it again, guys, just so you are aware. Okay, there we are. That's the Discord link. I shared it again. And guys, I don't know. I think I better try to be careful here. I do not want to mess with this. It does kind of feel like, you know, we may try to get a bounce as well. What if I try to, well, what if I try to short this? What if I try to short this, guys? Let's try to short
Order
this.
filled.
Let's give it a shot, guys. And look for a quick move down. Look for that pull back into the VWAP. And then look to try to reload long at 570. Oh boy. No bueno, no pasa nada. Uh-oh. What a bounce off that VWAP, guys. What a bounce. Incredible. All right, guys, I'm going to try to short on any given bounce, guys. I'm going to try to see if I can scale into my position and try to short this bad boy all the way. Tomorrow it's Moderna. Today's Moderna, tomorrow it's U-Haul. Every day. Yeah, I know, plant-based. I know, every day. Wow. We have a surprise every single day. Believe it or not, that's what we have, right? So, and the markets are doing the same thing. 5 minutes, bounce, 80 points. And then the next 4 hours, it's like nothing burger. Moves like 10 points. And then right after that, it moves like, I don't know, 80 points. And then for another few hours, it's like nothing. Anyways, guys, back here, looks like we are getting a little pullback. I thought there's a little pullback here, right into the VWAP. I was looking for that 580. I pulled back into. Now 585 pullback. Maybe that's asking for a little too much. I don't know. I'm gonna try to stick to this, see what happens. 601. I'm gonna be looking for that maybe a little bounce attempt, and you know, possible denial at about 620 area too. I may have to just do 520 area. This looks like a little bit of a bull flag here for me, but I'm hoping that this is a rejection of this level, right? Maybe try to pierce through that and we kind of get denied and we end up pulling back into the 580s. I'm down about 130 bucks. I mean, we could easily get a pop. And that's, well, I'm kind of thinking maybe we get a pop, but the pop kind of fade. Plant-based, what's up, man? Going to enter long near 600. Bro, I mean, I appreciate you calling out what you plan to do. That's awesome, bro, man. You know, you're awesome. And that's way better. That's way better than somebody coming in and say, do this, do that. I mean, that's awesome. I love it, man. You have a plan. You're trying to step into this at 600 area. Awesome, bro. I hope that works out. Good call. We're all trying to share information here, guys. I don't have to share information because you're seeing in front of me, in front of the screen. So... sell the farm and get long. Oh, Sean. All right. Okay. Well, I don't have a farm. It said I can join the Discord. It said maybe the server is full. Server is never full. You should be able to get in. I don't know why. What's wrong? That's weird. It's me, Mr. Mechaverse. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Not sure. Wow,
Order
guys.
filled.
Am I gonna get a big middle finger right now, guys? Am I going to be getting that right now? Is this the one? Oh my dear. That's a straight 40 points, guys. What the heck is going on with this market lately? What the heck is going on, everybody? Like, what am I supposed to do, everyone? $40 points out of nowhere. You know how difficult it was trying to get 40 points this morning? You guys know that. Of course, we were there. But, man. Oh yeah. So by the way, I got approved on my my listed live account, so that's good. That's weird though. I cannot access. What did what the heck is going on? I can request another one? First of all, I don't see listed live account on my oh maybe, oh yeah, one second. I've got to log in. Let's see if that kind of works. Okay, so I'm gonna wait. No. It's a listed live, it's not listed max. I'll get there, guys. I'll get there. Do not worry. StockTiger will be back with the listed max. I still have the live account though, and I've got to get through that before I can start to trade the max. But of course, I'm gonna have to also wait for the listed live. Sorry, the cool period too, right? So actually, no, I'm back here. I've got the listed live. But one is gone. 75. I only have $100. Guys, I only have $100 drawdown. That's gone, bro. I mean, that's gone. There's no way in the world I'm gonna be able to survive. You've got to be kidding, bro. I've got only $100. Auto liquidation $100. That's gone, man. Well, I took my money. I requested a payout because I didn't want to. Well, looks like that's got $100. I've never been able to recover from that $100 ever before in my lifetime. So I don't know. I don't think that's good. That's not definitely looking good. Wait, yeah, exactly. Well, yeah, now, okay, hey guys, what a perfect timing, right? We talked about the nano, that I'm never going to be trading nano. Here it is. I only have $100, guys. What does that mean? $100 is only the drawdown that I have on my listed live. So guess what I've got to do? I've got to trade the nano, guys. Watch me trade nano. Let's go. I think the nano is going to be available, I think, starting next week, from my understanding. So maybe next Monday or next Tuesday, you probably go trade nano on this live account. I can't wait to be I can't wait to trade nano now with my listed live. That's gonna be wild. I'll make a lot of profits, guys. I'm gonna make huge profits. $40. Yeah, I mean, commission is not going to be too high. I mean, that's if you try to multiply, right? So if you try to go with 100 nano, then of course it's going to cost you a lot of money. But if you are trading, the intention is to stick to the nano contract, right? So if I'm going to be doing 5 nano, it's only going to cost me so much. It's equally as same as trading with 5 micro, right? So it's the same thing. But 5 nano would mean like half the 1 micro. So that's crazy. Oh, it's starting on Sunday? Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, so I need a little pullback here. What a big squeeze to the upside, all the way into the 640. Guys, I just kind of feel like the market is trying to get a bounce. What I'm going to try to do is try to get out of this trade as quickly as possible, right, on a pullback here, okay? I'm going to have to look to get out of this quickly. All right, I got out of... Oh. What?
Order filled.
Oh, okay. So I got out, and I'm going to try to go long, okay? Long on a little pullback here. Just kind of feels like we are getting this bit of a change in the structure. We broke out of the pivot. That's number one. And we're starting to see some volume kind of step into this momentum push to the upside. Just kind of feels like we're building this bit of a higher low pattern. The only thing that bothers me just a little bit is remember that 620 to 630 area was that level, was that big fat level that we really had to get through that. So we got a rejection off that level, but I think we may try to retest that a couple times more, and along the way we may try to dip, but then we could quickly try to push in over 630 and squeeze into the 700 as well. So we have a chance of doing that. So I'm not going to be discounting the fact that we may try to retest that high again. So I'm going to be looking for maybe a pullback into the 590s before we try to get a bounce again. So right into the VWAP, guys. That's where my that's what their what am I saying? That's where my entry is going to be. 660 TP to long, then short 570. 660 TP. 660, yeah, it kind of makes sense. I see where you're going with that. 660, yeah, definitely, yeah, I agree. Mustafa, you think that was a bit of a manipulative move? $6.12. Okay. Wow. After that big push, guys, the market absolutely dead. Incredible. Incredible. But yeah. Guys, how was your day this morning, man? Oh, it's going to go down without me, guys. It's going to go. Oh, well. You know that. You know the drill. This market's going to go without me now. Oh. Oh. Ugly, ugly. So, with the legend, why am I only allowed to request $1,200? What the heck, man? Was it not an elite account? It looks like it was apprentice account. I activated that account. I think that's really what it is. I think that's the reason why. Oh my god, I need a KYC. I haven't even done that. Shame on you, shame on you. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do that later. So $1,200, guys, is what I will be requesting a payout with Legend. That was all I could do. I didn't realize I was on an apprentice account. Guys, we're getting this nice, beautiful high or low kind of a pattern. So I'm gonna try to see if I can go long here on a pullback. 618, maybe a pullback into the 618, guys. Damn. All right, I'll wait. I'll wait. Some work to do here. Okay, it looks like we're trying to go higher. We're building this a bit of a nice base, right? It's holding all the EMAs. It just makes me kind of feel like, you know, the opportunity here is to the long side, right? Could be on the long side on a little pullback here down. So I'm gonna try to go long, guys, on a pullback. I just kind of like this, the pattern, the way it's kind of looking like. We're holding all the EMAs. I like that, and a beautiful push with a nice little volume kind of stepping in as well. So I kind of like all of that right now. Okay, so what I'm going to try to do is try to go long. On any given pullback here. Man, my arms are hurting so much. So much of tension and pressure, right? This market is giving me this morning. My arms are hurting. They will fight here? Well, Jack Capital, am I in a dream? Is this a New York session or Globex? Well, believe it or not, we are in Globex, unfortunately. We're getting a better, cleaner price action right now versus what we had this morning, man. This morning was just terrible. Oh, man. It was just so bad. I hated everything about this morning, guys. Incredible. It was just so bad. It was not even funny anymore. Crazy stuff. But anyways, we are here yet again. I do not like anything about this morning, guys. It was horrible. Okay, so we got a 9 EMA here. Let's see if we try to give us a little bit of a pullback here into the VWAP, and then we try to get a bounce yet again. And try to maybe we have a chance of a bounce into 750 as well today, guys. You lost 2 accounts? What accounts? Like Eval? Oh, by the way, yeah. For me, it was a mix today. I did a decent on the funded accounts, but I absolutely got destroyed on the evals, especially with the funded next accounts. Yeah. The $1,500 drawdown, it may be a little bit of a tough one, especially if you're going with 3 mini contracts. Maybe I may have to make some a bit of an adjustment here. I will. It's a 50K account, but you only have $1,500 to work with, so you're kind of thinking it's a 50K account. So you're treating it like a 50K, but the problem is you only have $1,500 drawdown.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, we're getting a little pullback here, guys, down. Let's see what sort of a pullback we get here, guys. Too much volatility. Volatility. Natural energy. What's going on, brother? Welcome. A beautiful chart setup to go long. That's right, sir. We'll see. Let's try to see if we hold this VWAP, though. Too much spoofing. That's right, too. Keith Parker, what did he say? I have no idea, bro. He said everything's going great with his relation with Canada, and that the tariff, the 50% tariff with to Canada, it's off the table. LeBlanc, Carney, and premiers hold a constructive and significant discussion. Canadian Minister in charge of U.S. trade, LeBlanc, Prime Minister briefed Canada's Premier on talks with the United States of America. Kim Jong-un is my good friend. I don't like him too much. He's the number one. All right. Trump on Iran sanctions, guys. He says, we will see what happens. Let's go. We'll see what happens. And the market tanks 200 points. Okay, pulling back into the 614. Hamas is in control of, is in full control of the US military. And Iran says it's not. And then the market rips 2,000 points. Let's go. Yeah. So let's take a look at the crude oil here for a second too. We haven't talked about the crude oil, but you see the crude oil is sitting at $80. I mean, as long as we're kind of in that 70 to 80, then I think we should be fine. I don't know what you guys think, but it's not threatening by any means. But soon as it try to creep above 90, I think that's when I think we start to get a little concerned about. But right at this moment, I think we should be okay with that. In the meantime, we are seeing some gold pressure to the upside. So I don't know what it is. What would be the reason why we have the nice, beautiful move here on the gold to the upside, guys? What would be the reason? Is it in front of the rate hikes? The Fed maybe pushing for rate hikes in the month of September. Is that what it is? So is that the reason why we are seeing this gold try to rip to the upside? We'll find out, everybody. Okay, so the NQ trying to hold this EMA here at 615. I wonder if we have what it takes to get a bounce off this level. Maybe we start to kind of chop here in the range. Maybe give us that little pullback into the VWAP and back down into the 590, and we end up getting a bounce. I'm going to try to lean towards moving long on a pullback, okay? So maybe back down into 590s and try to go long from there. And potentially put a hot stop here into the 580s and see how it kind of goes. Bitcoin, Mochaccino, I think, you know what? I don't know if we talked about Bitcoin this morning, but Bitcoin seems to be looking, holy bro. All right, guys, the Bitcoin's giving us a bit of a middle finger here right now, guys. Hold on 1 second. You know what that means, right? Guys. 1 minute though. StockTiger, I've got to load in some Rocket Lab. Oh, why is the Rocket Lab so down? Rocket Lab is not looking good. It's down 4% today. Okay, I want to be a little careful about this. I don't like this. Or maybe I have to load in Coinbase instead. Coinbase stock. Coinbase, wow. Coinbase ripped $160. All right, guys, I'm gonna go long coin tomorrow for tomorrow. Coin. Coinbase, man, it's already 165. It already went 3% to the upside. I hate you for doing that. 10 contracts, okay. 10 contracts. Okay. 165. 10 contracts, 165. So $1,600 on the. I'm being kind. Wow, Coinbase already. Oh man, already bounced. That's 10% bounce. But I think we probably have a chance of a further bounce. Tark, I like the Tark. What about the ARK holdings here? Let's take a look at the ARK holdings. I like the ARK holdings too. $80. Okay, forget about this for now. Let's go back. AMD. AMD down to 466. Yeah, maybe I should just get rid of Coinbase again. I think that was a little mistake. I'll wait for Coinbase tomorrow. Yeah, I'll sell it off. It does look bullish, Coinbase, to be honest, but I would rather just try to see what happens tomorrow morning and maybe step into the Coinbase tomorrow morning. Why is my order not selling? Open order. It's queued. What the f— That's weird. Weird, I cannot sell my Coinbase that I just bought. Yeah, I'll just cancel. Okay, so that's fine. Let's go back here. Oh wow, but everything is just trying to get a bounce, guys. I kind of like this NQ pushing into the 624. Maybe we have a chance of a bounce tomorrow morning. Okay. So what's going on, guys? What's going on, man? Everybody looking for some payouts this month? Everybody getting closer to payouts this month? How you guys making out? It's been relatively slow for me, I'll be honest. I don't know if I've actually got to like 10,000 this month. I don't think so. It's already 2 weeks past. Sorry, it's 3 weeks past. It's already 3 weeks past. And the market trying to get a bounce here as well. Okay. All right, guys, I'm gonna have to do
Order filled.
what do you call this? Mini contracts, guys. I can't. I'm not going anywhere with. Even though there's a lot of risk here, I'm gonna have to step in with the mini contract. Requested 2 uncapped Billinox. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna pray for you, Min Max, man, bro. How much is that? Like 6 grand? Natural energy this August month was rough. Yeah, bro, I hear you, man. I hear you, bro. I mean, it's not just for you. It's a lot of us. I wouldn't say mine was necessarily that easy either, but I was away from my desk for most part, so I kind of scrambled to to manage and focus my accounts, my trading too at the same time. So I wouldn't say my month was any better as well. DLY, most you've made. I've started in April. Last month for the first month profitable. Nice, bro. Nice month. First month profitable. A big shout out to DLY, man. Good job. Had a payout, but still lost. Too much cost. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. It's wow. It's. Wish the trading was easier. It was easy. I hope it was easy. Hope it is easy. Trading is not, unfortunately. It's not the way we some traders think it is, but you know what? It's something I've noticed, that the more cushion you have, and the more it's within your comfort zone, I think you tend to do better, right? So it's like when you have the more, let's say, well, the more pressure you have from a financial standpoint, and the more you dig your hole, you know what I mean, from, say, what do you call this? So the more account you lose, obviously you're gonna have to start loading more accounts. That would mean you're increasing your debt, right? So the more you increase your debt and you're getting less payouts, that's a lot of pressure. You know what I mean? That's not the place where we want to be, right? It's gonna be very difficult to come out of that hole. It's very tough, very tough. So when you get a big payout, you're gonna really somehow have to find a way to manage your, I don't know, whatever it's called, expenses or account loading in. Manage that way. You're always in the money. You know what I mean? I think it's very important, because even if you're a good trader, you have this financial pressure. It's very tough. It's very tough. The DLY 35 updates, usually by now you should be able to request a payout by now. Adam Des, what's going on, man? What's up, brother? Wow, min-max 9,000. Wow, man. Awesome, bro. Awesome. Just milk as much as you can there. Good job, bro, man. You need a lot of discipline to trade Billinox, for sure. You've been pretty good with Billinox, by the way. Awesome job, bro. Awesome job. You the man. You the man. Well, not that you're not any better with the other firms, but Billinox, extraordinary. Good job. $631. The VWAP here at 607. I'm gonna be looking for that little band. All right, so let's look for that little bit of a dip here down into the 610. And look for that VWAP to get a bounce. Billinox is harder because you've gotta trade for 10 days, right? You gotta trade for 10 days, and it's not easy to trade for 10 days. At some point, you're gonna make mistake. At some point. For staying disciplined for 10 days in front of all the distractions that you have around you, you know, it's not easy. It's really not easy. That's why I keep saying, I mean, to get well, and by the way, it's not just hard, but you think about the uncapped, right? So in order to get to uncapped on billionaires, you've got to the fourth payout. So that's like you've got to be consistent for minimum 40 to 50 days, at least 50 days. So that's about 2 months to get to uncapped payouts. That's massive. It's not easy. Only min-max can do it. It's like you try to click on the mouse, buy, and kind of going, don't ever do that. Don't ever do that. $6.31. Wow. Did the market stall? Is the market done? The Globex is closed. Is that what it is? I think we pull back here into the VWAP at least. I know, keep perking, man. I'm equally as worried as you are. Man, we all are worried, by the way. We all are worried. Yeah, I mean, I think Lucid and Take Profit Trader. That's right, Joey Nag. I think you're absolutely right. You know, I think Tradify is equally as good too, in my opinion. I've tried many firms out there, but I have not seen anyone do better than Take Profit Trader and Lucid for now, including Tradify. Tradify is pretty good too. Tradify is pretty good, I think. Well, the prop space is evolving too, right? So every month's gonna look different. We just got to be profitable. That's right. I mean, at the end of the day, we got to be profitable. You're right. Absolutely. But boy, the 25K on the Lucid is tough. I don't know why, but it's I managed to get a payout, and I kind of got moved live, which is crazy. Yeah, I know. Lucid increased their price to just a pro, but I think their flex accounts are the same though. I think the flex is all the same. It's tough, but I want the challenge. Yeah, small account challenge is not a bad idea. Just and Red, I think you've got it right. I think they move to live after you make 30K. I think so. The DLY. I think that's what it is. I've taken over 40K with Lucid, so. And this is the second live I'm getting into, so I don't know. Now I'm pretty close on my Tradify too. I don't know what's gonna be. Tradify I've already taken about 25K, so I'm getting pretty close to that sort of a threshold where maybe I may get flagged. I don't know. I didn't even know I have taken 25K with Tradify up until like a few days ago when they had it summarized how much I've taken so far. So yeah, Lilia, I mean, yeah, listed payout is important. The payout, getting it, like how quickly can you get the payout? It's important, but if it's all within the day or two, Honestly, I don't know if it really matters. A day or two is fine. But if it's a month, yeah, that's a bit of a difference there. But I mean, a few days here and there, I mean, I don't know. I don't know if that really matters. Anyways, guys, what the heck is going on here in the market, guys? Are we trying to trade, or are we trying to just what are we trying to do here? What is this market trying to do, guys? Can somebody get in with the live account and try to move this market once and for all? Can you bring your live account? Well, let's try to move this market, guys. What the heck is going on, man? What the heck? This is no good. This is no good, guys. Well, now it's moving. Now it's kind of moving. Do we like this price action? Absolutely not. It's been a very difficult month, guys, man. Thank God I did not really get a chance to trade actively this month, man. It's awful. It's awful. TradeFi is more than decent in my opinion. I think they're a solid firm. I think they know what they're doing. So Top Step is fine too. I have no problem with Top Step. You're floating up in the river. Yeah, Joe's, man. Tell me about it, bro. Tell me about it. Crazy stuff. You just never traded with TradeFi? I think you should, Justin, right? TradeFi is a good firm. Of course, with the best code. Oh my god. First time I ever say that. I don't know why I'm so embarrassed to say it's the best code, damn it. Just say it, StockTiger. Okay, I will. I will. Okay, 636, guys. Man, just give me some move here, please. I mean, even a 5 points, I'm gonna be okay with that. 5 points, guys. Just give me a 5 points. Anybody with the live account, try to move this market, guys. Let's go. Last year, Top Step was my third biggest payout firm, and then I literally stopped trading Top Step this year, and I've been very inactive. Like I trade like few accounts in about 2 months here and there, and I kind of stop and go back, stop, go back, stop, go back. You know, crazy. I think I've got to go back to Top Step. I think definitely has to be part of my portfolio in a good way. Like it's, I don't know. I'm having a tough time, imagine, with the Top Step X now, because I haven't been trading actively. I'm just not used to it anymore. So man, that Top Step X is a pain. It's a pain. I'm so used to now Tradovate, because all the firms are Tradovate, obviously including that Coin Tower too. But I mean, DLY, are you live on Top Step? I was supposed to go live, and I could not go live, so they asked me to just continue trading on a regular sim account, and I did. Oh no, I don't like Trade C, bro. I don't like Trade C. Oh, it's awful. I tried with demo account just to kind of test the water, but boy. Okay, guys. The market is closed. The market is closed, everybody. Let's just try to go back to the tick chart, maybe. I'm using a tick chart now, guys. Tick chart. I think the market is going to move now. All right, I'm going to zoom in with the tick chart, guys. Believe it or not, I'm on a tick chart now. Now, if I try to go long here, I'm going to get cooked. Watch. Going for an explosive move. Let's go, Min-Max. Let's go. We got a big trader here, guys. Big trader.
Order filled.
My order just got filled, by the way. By the way. By the way. By the way, say goodbye. All right, we're having a little bit of a concert here. Anybody want to join the concert? Let's go. Oops, I did it again.
You see, my problem is this. I'm dreaming away, wishing that heroes so truly.
Woo! Yeah, let's go. Copyright? Yeah, that's right, sir. I'm sorry, I'll never do it again. Never do it again. That's right. That copyright is no bueno. No pasa nada. You know, one thing that I really don't like about this slow price action is that I get pretty wild because I'm kind of getting bored. And that's a problem. Keep me busy with the price action, please. What the heck was that, guys? We ended up pulling back here into the 630s. What? Guys. It's moving now, guys. It's starting to move. Guys, we're getting a 10 points move, guys. What a record. We're getting a 10 points move. Right? We've got to celebrate this, guys. Guys, we've got to celebrate this 10 points. We're going to do a giveaway right now, guys. We are going to go ahead and do some giveaways, guys. Guys, we cannot... Oh my god! What? Yo! Whoa! Come on, let's go, baby. All right, let's go. Get to 690. Come on, get me the explosive move. I need it to 660, guys. It's gonna be a massive volatility, man. I want to see a 20 points pump here right now, guys. Let's go. Holy, what? We're getting a pullback instead. Are you kidding me? Really? Are we getting a pullback here? Is that what you're trying to do? Is that what you're trying to do? Okay, full porting. Let's go. Full porting, guys. This is not allowed. This is not allowed. Full porting, guys. Let's go. Holy. Wow. It's up to 650, guys. We're up here again.
Order
Oh,
filled.
I just got filled. Oh, my dear. I just got filled, guys. Oh. Guys, just kind of makes me feel like this market wants to move here. We'll keep an eye on this, guys. We'll keep an eye on this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, man, a quick $140, guys, on that little trade. Wow, crazy stuff, man. Crazy. StockTiger is the man. Ah! 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 No, 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 no. Don't feel, don't feel. Oh, my. This picture is giving me a heart attack, everybody. Okay, okay, guys. Get ready, buckle up. A lot of volatility here, guys. A lot of volatility. A beautiful 10, 15 points move. I love it. We're seeing a little bit of weakness, guys. A little bit of weakness. Wow. I don't like that. I don't like that dump. That's a 20 points pullback, guys. 20 points pullback. You've got to be kidding me. What the heck is that, guys? What the heck? Guys, this is looking way better. Oh, Bowser took that sell for $400. Let's go. Booyah. We're here to make some monies. Oh, guys, man, the Nixon. Somebody help me out with the Nixon, man. I'm absolutely confused with that account. I need some accounts with that. Let's go. Ain't no time. Baby, baby. Oh my god. Sorry, guys, man. Guys, don't blame me, man. It's not me, man. It's not my fault. It's just the market like that. What can I do? No. Okay, I'm not gonna do that ever again, guys. That was it. That was the last. That's my gift to you. That was it. Whew. That's a lot of stress. Relax, Bowser trades. Relax, man. We're having fun with Britney Spears. What are you talking about trading now? God damn it. All right. Buckle up for more action, guys. We're down into 645, and I'm down about $75. Wow. What am I going to do? Well, I'm going to try to exit this trade. That's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to try to exit this trade, of course, on that little pop if we get. Oh. See a little bounce into 655 maybe? What do you guys think? I like to see a little bounce into the 655. Would be nice if we do that. The market looks like it may try to give us that push into the VWAP. But I still... maybe I still think we try to get a bounce. The New York high was at 740, right? So we still have some ways to go. Right, we're sitting at 640 right now, and that's about 100 points. You don't like this wick, min-max?
Order filled.
Oh, I just got filled. Guys, man, what an easy, like, $150. Like, couple trades like that. I mean, that's already giving me the $100,000 trade. And this got filled. StockTiger complaining. Okay, guys, I'm going to exit this. Okay, guys, I'm going to try to trade here. Ooh, hold on. I'm going to try to go long here, guys, on a pullback it down.
Order filled.
Oh, man, I got filled. I was going to move. I placed. Well, yeah. And no excuses, bro. Relax, StockTiger. Okay, yeah. Oh, let's go. No excuses. We're going to get 100 points bounce now, guys. Now that I'm in, yeah, we're going to get 100 points bounce, guys. Watch this market rip all the way back into the 690, guys. I'm going to have my TP here right into that 750. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Guys, don't forget to smack the like never before, guys. Right, if you guys want to support the channel. You guys want to see more Britney Spears dance and the songs? Smack it, everybody. Thank you so much for being here every single night. Oh, by the way, we said we're gonna go ahead and do the giveaway too, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Thank you. Oh, wow, guys, what a beautiful bounce, guys, into the 660s. I told you. We are going to get a ripper. Let's go. Move my stop to break even or what? Let's move our stop to break even here, guys. Look for the bounce into the 670. Right to the moon, guys. Let's go. Take me to the 670. Take me to 670. And then never come back. Why am I crying? That was such a slow, like, romantic music, guys. I've got tears coming out from my eyes now. Holy. I cannot believe this. I'm crying.
Stop filled.
I got stop filled. I got stopped out, everybody. That is not fair. How dare. All right. Okay, so what are we going to do here? Para. Okay. All right, guys, this is what we're gonna do. Okay, we're gonna do giveaway for everybody, of course, but in the meantime, I'm gonna give away 2 150k accounts to the mods, Tiger Vibes, the YouTube members, right? And I want you guys to let me know in the chat that you are here so I can add your names, right? No, the one that I'm going to do right now, it's just for the YouTube members and Tiger Vibe and the mods only. And I'm going to give 2 150 Take Profit Trader giveaway, right? Okay, so that's what it's gonna be. And of course, we're gonna do giveaway for everybody as well right after, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, it is for YouTube members and the mods and the Tiger Vibes. But you gotta let me know, you gotta be active here, right? You gotta be active. You gotta let me know that you're here with me right here on the YouTube chat, okay? And I'm gonna add your names. And I'm gonna give 2 150k Take Profit Trader Take Profit Trader account giveaway, and this is in celebration, guys. In showing respect, right, to you guys, right? And I want to thank you to all of you, of course, for your support to the channel and being active on Discord, right? Right? And always being here with us. So let's do that right now, guys. Okay, I'm gonna type in the names. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Just give me 1 minute. In the meantime, the market, the market's kind of dead. So let this market do its thing for now, guys. In the meantime, I'm gonna type in the names. So because I had not taken a look at just yet. So hold on. We got Dude 45. Dude 45, Primo. Hold on 1 second. Primo trades. Jack Capital. I saw Minnex Infinity. I saw Grace as well. S. Maladino. Anthony Torres. Yeah, I know, man. We gotta take down the Dude 45 name. You guys are gonna get mad at me if Dude 45 wins again. You're gonna call it a rug pull. You're gonna call me a rug pull. Cone Divergence. Anthony Torres is there. Boy Pablo is there. Oh, Jason, thank you, bro, for being a member. Hold on, Moogie, Warrup PvP. Who else is there? Versa, wow, Versa Trades, bro, man, haven't seen you in a while. Versa Trades. Rebecca Warner. Natural Energy LLC. We got Jason. No, there's no Jason. Jason Step. Profit Factor. Profit Factor is not here. Hold on one second. Profit Factor is not here. Profits and TPs. Oh my god. Andrew trades 997. Trading for SL 5555. Jack Capital. I think I put down your name. Jack Capital is there. Skills Kit 2338. What? No want. Versa Trades. Oh, you was driving but you're here? Nice, bro. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, brother. Where did Profit Factor go? Did 45, bro, man. You didn't have to do that, bro. Oh, man. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, bro. Do we put two count for Dude 45 for doing that? Just kidding. There was what was his name? Profit Factor. Jeff Coriano is there. Who else? That's it. That's it. I don't think we have anybody else. Who's Profits and TP? Is that your Profit Factor? Is that your Profit Factor? The Profits and TP? Oh no, FS Trades is not there. FS Trades. Oh, that's not you. Okay, yeah. Okay, so we got the names, right? I'm gonna put that on the main chat. Oh my god, 1 second. Because that's what we have. Kokocini is Tiger Vibe. Hold on, let me just take a look. I don't think so. Right? Is it? Yeah, no, Kokochin is not. Oh, he is? Kokochin, can you type type whatever on the main chat on the Discord? Sorry, man. I did not know. All right, guys. In the meantime, the market trying to get a bounce. 650 here, guys. Oh, yeah, he is. Okay, yeah. Shame on you, Cococini. All right. Cococini. Shame on you. So we got the names here. We got the names, guys. These are the names. Tiger Vibe, it's really for active members who are active on Discord, and you know, they can just come and talk to me and let me know that they've been very active and that they want to be included in the Tiger Vibe. We're gonna make some adjustments down the road, but for now, that's really what it is. Okay, so that's the names I've got, right? So okay, good luck, guys. This is for 150k take profit trader account giveaway, guys. Damn. Jay Coriano. So there's no timer on this one, so you guys can Jay Coriano just claim that 150k EPT account, okay? That was a slow spin too. What the heck was that? Oh, Real Estate Vancouver is not there too. Hold on one second. We gotta add Real Estate Vancouver. Real Estate Vancouver is not there. Real Estate Vancouver, Vancouver. You just came in now, right? Okay, I added your name, guys. Real Estate Vancouver, I've added your name. What no one? What no one is there? Okay. Yeah, this is faster. Fuck, man. Grace! Grace! Yeah, let's go! Grace, 150k account. Yeah, man. Grace, man. Well deserved. I mean, I hope she's still here. But, I mean, anyways, there's no timer on this one. So, all right, guys. We're going to go ahead and now do a giveaway for everybody. So, let's go ahead and do that, guys. Wow, man. That was crazy. All right, we're going to go ahead and do a listed account now for everybody. So go ahead and type in exclamation Tiger, guys. Oh, let's go. This market is dead. Holy mochaccino. Guys, try to show some love. Smack the like, everybody, if you can, if you guys want to support the channel. And I thank you guys for doing that, of course. Let's see if we can get to 200 likes right now. Can we get to 200 likes, everybody, if you can? Do you think we can make it happen? 200 likes right now? So much of giveaways every single day. Jeez. No love. No love. I don't wanna hear. There is no giveaway. I don't wanna hear. I don't wanna know. All right, guys. All right. Back here into this. Did 45, bro. Thanks, bro. I know you got a lot of payouts. Congrats, man. Congrats to all your payouts, bro. So guys, I'm gonna share my Discord link here again, right? Just so you know, my Discord link. I'm gonna share it again right now. So come and talk to me on Discord if you are previous winner of the giveaways. Okay, I'm sharing it again right now, guys. Here is the link of all the, well, not of all, but Discord link is all there. Okay, so there's where we at the moment. I want to congrats to all the giveaway winners. We had 150 take profit Twitter account giveaway, and that was given to all the supporters of this channel. And I want to congrats Grace and Jay Coriano for winning the giveaway, man. That's awesome. Now we got a giveaway for everybody else as well happening right now. So I want you guys to go ahead and type in exclamation Tiger. But you know what? At the same time, I want to see if we can also get some love, guys. I mean, this is honestly, I mean, we've been getting over 300 viewers every single night. And we've been getting barely 140 likes any given time. So I want to know if we can get some more love here tonight. You guys think we can get to 200 likes right away? You guys think we can do that? Who knows? We may come out with more giveaways, right? Nobody knows what it's going to be. But let's try to see, guys, if we can get some more love here tonight. Right? Let's see. I want to see where we can get to. Let's see how far we can get to, guys. Let's take a look and see what happens in about a few minutes. In the meantime, guys, go ahead and type in exclamation Tiger. Oh, let's get it, everyone. Real estate Vancouver? Yeah, I mean, you know, I mean, I want to give away though. Thank you guys for being here. I mean, I was just bugging you. I appreciate the fact that you guys are here with us every single night. So just give it to me. Let's go. Real estate Vancouver. I like that. All right, guys. Well, the market hasn't moved at all, by the way. The market hasn't moved after all. And I'm just kind of thinking maybe I should try to go long here. I may regret this, but I'm going to try to go long here, guys. Or maybe no. I don't know. I kind of like it to the upside. I'm going to try to go long here, guys. I want to try to go long here at 645. And look for that bit of a bounce here back into maybe 670. I still kind of like this, but I mean, maybe we try to get a pullback before we try to get a bounce back again, guys. But I think the VWAP retest is maybe something that could be in the cards right now. We could see a potential pullback here into the VWAP, which I would not be surprised if we end up doing that, and maybe try to get a bounce off that pullback, right? So like this morning was a classic example. I got faked twice this morning after a touch into the VWAP twice this morning, guys. I was so freaking mad. Where's that VWAP? Anyways, guys, the VWAP is a significant area. So every time we have the touch in the VWAP, we get a significant move, right? So just really think about it, guys. And this is why the VWAP becomes very important, of course, right? You see how much we kind of kept pushing down after touch of the VWAP. Again here.
Order filled.
Again here, a massive move after rejection of the VWAP, right? And of course, that significant level of support here into the 500 as well. You obviously ended up getting a nice squeeze to the upside as well. So anyways, I think that VWAP, let's take a look. Maybe a retest into the VWAP 620 area. A pullback, possible. And then we try to get a rebound from there. If we end up getting a little bit of a deeper pullback, potential pullback would be the next level, 600 area. 600 would be the next level to watch. That would be a bit of an extended move, right? That could take us. But overall, I'm just kind of leaning more to the upside. So the first initial pullback could be right into the VWAP. And then the next one would be right into that 600 area, right? So I want to make sure that I am able to hold on to this trade just in case we end up pulling back into the next leg down, the 600 area. So with that in mind, guys, I am long here right now off that 650 and see how it kind of goes. Anything above 641, you're long? Anything above 640? That's right. I think that's an important area. Yeah, absolutely. I agree. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to try to see if I can take my profit. Look for the micro scalp maybe. A punch into the 650 and take my profit. And then look for that a pullback down. And then look for the rebound after that. So maybe look for a quick micro scalp here, guys. A quick bounce and a pullback. How about that? How about that? Okay, there we go, guys. We're getting a nice little bounce. Let's try to see if we can get a bounce into 660 and maybe get a rejection of the level. That's where my take profit is going to be.
Order filled.
All right, there we go, guys. My TP got filled. Now I'm gonna be looking for that. Man, I'm not comfortable trying to short this market, guys. I'm not feeling too overly confident to try to short this market. So I'm gonna be looking for a pullback, right? I'm gonna be looking for the pullback into the 630s now, 640s. So that way I can give myself a little bit more wiggle room for my stop as well. Jeez, we already got like 480 tickets and we only have like 300 viewers. Did we get a lot of love here tonight? 170. We got about 30 more likes to go, guys. 30 more likes to go here. To put a big smile in everybody's face. Well, let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's try to see if we can get to 200 likes right now, guys. Thank you so much for your support to the channel once again. And being here every single night truly means the world, guys. Thank you so much. Guys, don't forget, Take Profit Trader is 50% off promo ending in 2 days, and that's 3 days to pass, and it's 50% off. So you're essentially paying $85 for a 50K account. You're paying $70 for 25K, and you are paying $180 for a 150K account. With Tradify, I've taken 26,000 so far. 26,000 so far from Tradify, and yeah. So I don't know. I may be getting pretty close to going live with them too. Yeah. I don't know. So one of my so I'm putting time and energy now into firms that I've not been very active in the last obviously year or so, and one of them was Tradify, which I love Tradify now. It's great firm. They've been very proactive. Their dashboards are awesome. I don't see any problem with their rules as well. So I mean, everything they do is, I think, it's good so far, especially the select accounts, right? And on top of that, you got an extra 5% off when you load in a package, right? So when you load in 5 accounts at the same time, you get an additional 5% off. So I think that's a pretty good deal in my opinion. My problem with Tradify has always been, like, I've always put Tradify as a back burner, and that's always been a problem, right? So you put your attention into stuff like Lucid and Take Profit Trader and Apex, and all of a sudden, you're put into a spot where you're trading Tradify in a very difficult market situation. You know what I mean? Say you may be trading Tradify overnight, or during off times, right? So, and that's, that's difficult to trade. You have a good chance of blowing your accounts, right? So, the market's pretty dead at the moment. I mean, we're barely moving 10 points. Well, I kind of lied. We did move. Well, yeah, that's 10 points. We're kind of moving about 10 points right now. How many funded accounts you have with Tradify? You can have 5. Tradify is honestly, it's not exactly identical to Lucid, but it's pretty close. I think the closest firm, in my opinion, to Tradify is Lucid, and vice versa. You can have 5 accounts, and it's usually it's like Lucid Flex, right? You've got 3 days to pass. It's 2 days or 3 days. I think it's 3 days to pass, and it's 40% consistency too. But the biggest difference is that you've got $3,000 you can request a payout on the flex accounts, right? So that's like 35% more than Lucid. Real estate Vancouver, I cannot buy any Lucid accounts. Just to be clear, or just to be fully transparent. Yeah, I'm live, and I think once I am done live, which I think it is, because I've only got $100, believe it or not, on that Lucid Live 25K account. I haven't really done much out of that Lucid Live account, to be honest. It's a 25K account. I wasn't expecting too much out of it anyways, but I don't know if I've put too much effort into that live account, I'll be honest. I tried, but I don't know. So, I mean, I've taken a payout instead of trying to build a buffer, right? But at the same time, I did not know I only had $100 of drawdown after taking the payout either. So I'm only got $100 now. So I think that's gonna go. And that's where we start to talk about the nano contracts, right? So I may have to wait for the nano. But I think that account has to go because I need to move on, and I need to get very serious, right? This is no joke. We're here trying to make trying to make good trades and trying to get payouts, right? So I'm not going to try to lose the $100 account purposely, but I'll try my level best. If I can't, that's gonna go, and I guess I'm gonna be into the cool down period. I don't know how long that's going to be, maybe 2 weeks. And then, I'm gonna go back to the Lucid Max accounts, right? It's not cheap. The Max accounts are not cheap. So the Max accounts are $180 for the 50K. So you're essentially paying double. So that's a bit of a stress, if you will. That's a bit of a stretch for me. But I guess I don't have any other choice but to just trade pay the 180 on the 50K max and just trade that account. Somebody said that he took a payout with only $400 drawdown. Really? Oh yeah, Big Belly. I know it's confusing, right? Like it's gotta say somewhere that you've only got so much drawdown. Like it's gotta say somewhere, guys. It cannot be that way. Like seriously. He was pissed. Yeah, I know. I was pissed. I mean, not this one, but you see when I was live on the other one like a couple of weeks ago, I was pissed because there was so much confusion on the drawdown, guys, man. I'm telling you. And I did not blow that account either. But they shut down the account because they're saying that I hit the drawdown. And I never thought I did. So a lot of confusion there. But it's okay. We're going to have to move on, right? So I'm going to have to go back to the max. I would love to go back to the max pretty quickly here if I can. Hopefully. That's going to be costly, though. It's $180 on a 50K account. Times 5. It's going to cost me $900. Guys, $900, man. I'm going to have to trade that like a funded account, really, at this point. Right? $900 for 5 50K accounts. 5 50K accounts. Crazy stuff, man. Yeah, man. Guys. Use the code TIGER. TIGER. Let's go. Oh my god. Yeah, so that's what it's going to be. I'm going to have to move to Lucid Max, and that's going to cost me a lot. But that's just the way it is, right? But that's moving straight to live right after, right? So once you pass, you're gonna move to live. So I think I may copy trade that account, by the way, too. That's gonna be crazy. You know, I'm gonna have to start getting into. I may have to change my what do you call this? My strategy going forward. I'm slowly thinking about copy trading more accounts and more accounts and more accounts. I'm still thinking about it. I've not said that's what I'm gonna do, but that's what I am thinking to do at the moment. So, I mean, obviously, I'm getting more and more firms that I'm moving to live, so it's gonna get harder and harder for me. So, right? So that's, I mean, well, it's not a bad thing to go live, by the way, guys. It's a great thing, right? But I mean, we all have to think about the payouts too, right? Okay, so the market trying to, I think we may try to get a pullback here or what, guys. I'm going to try to see if I can actually put a
Order
narrower.
rejected.
Oh. No, I'm going to try to go long here, guys, on a pullback here down. I still do think we may try to get a pullback here down. So I'm going to try to see if I can long on a pullback. Wow, what a slow price action here, guys. Pretty dead. 650 here is what we are talking about. Crazy stuff. And I don't want to put a title limit order too, because we could end up dumping pretty quickly here for another 20 points, and I don't want to get stuck in this, you know what I mean? That's why I'm kind of like trying to be a little protective here. I don't want to make the same mistake I did this morning. This morning was, yeah. This morning was a bit weird. Oh, we got Tokyo in about a few minutes too. Yeah, we got about 10 more minutes for Tokyo. TTG futures. Wow, good for you, brother. Awesome. Awesome, bro. Good job. Search and sell. Looks like a rollover. Well. Give me more Britney Spears. Well, I don't think we're gonna get any of that tonight, though. Unfortunately, maybe for another day. I'm way too tired to trade. Oh, poor Pablo. Yeah, I mean that's really what it is. If you are working for 12 hours straight. Is that true? 12 hours? Am I accurate on that statement? Oh, min-max infinity long? Wow, from 641? Yeah, that's a pretty good entry there. That's a pretty good entry. Wow, you've been awake for since 2 a.m. in the morning. Crazy, man, crazy. Fulgire says, "What's going on, man? What's up, brother?" Dave 004, what's up? Guys, welcome everybody. Thank you guys for being here, obviously every day with us. Natural Energy, what's up, man? Good news from Tokyo. Oh, what's the good news from Tokyo? Oh, we got a pretty decent trade, import and export year to year. That's looking pretty good for Japan. So I guess that's probably the reason why we got a bounce in this market, guys, maybe. We got about 8 more minutes for Tokyo, by the way. And so far, the market's trying to get a bounce. I wonder what Tokyo is going to really bring here to the table, guys. Oh, if you... Yeah. Okay, Boy Pablo, no problem, bro. Thanks for the approval.
Order filled.
Because I got Phil there. Oh, well, this is exactly what I was worried about, guys, man. I knew it. I mean, coming to this trade, I said, well, but as a result, I ended up going long on that pullback into 650. Now it's going to hurt, obviously. Oh, I'm only down about $80. I'm only down about $80, so that's not too bad. Not as bad as I thought it's going to be, so let's see if we get a bit of a bounce, guys, here. Maybe we do. Shorted from 660 all the way down to 613. Wow, man. What an entry there, 660. Yeah, 660. I wish I got in to this trade off that level. That would have been nice, guys. That would have been nice. This is a nice clean move, by the way. I kind of saw that coming, but boy. I took a stab because the market was not moving. So I said, okay, well, maybe try to get a bounce and do something like that here. But of course, instead, we ended up getting a pullback. So no bueno here, unfortunately. Probably, yeah. Bentony, yeah, I'll take a look, yeah, for sure. Do not worry, hon. I'm always here for you. Or let's go. Kajun, I see you on Discord. I'm gonna talk to you right after the stream is over, so do not worry. Hang on tight. I'm here for you. I just can't. I'm just not able to take a look at the chat. So bear with me, everybody. So in the meantime, I'm looking to see if we get a bit of a bounce, guys, here instead of getting. Maybe we get a pullback here into the VWAP and maybe try to get a bounce, potential a bounce from the VWAP. Maybe we'll see if that is the case. Yeah. Oh, you guys are amazing. You guys are awesome, bro. Thank you so much to all of you for being here every single night. You know, it's my honor, man. It's my honor. You know, seeing all of you, like, I know we all struggle at times, but I mean, we all never giving up a spirit. I mean, that's a pretty good deal, right? We're here, never giving up. We're all fighting for another day, for another better trades, and eventually to get a payout. That's crazy. So Trader Grace, you won the 150k take profit trader, by the way. If you do not want it, you can give it to me. That's fine. Just let me know. Were you there? Well, I hope you know that you won. Oh, okay, you know. Okay. That's good. That's good. I'm very happy for you. Yeah, I know Trader Grace is going through a lot of stress right now, so very happy. Very glad to see you win. Okay, so in the meantime, guys, man, what the heck is this market gonna try to do here? Into the 640, just, you know, it just kind of feels like we may have a little more grind down. Oh, and by the way, we've got Tokyo in about a few minutes. Man, what am I gonna do now, guys? Am I gonna try to get out of this trade? What am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to make a call here in about a minute and a half before we get to Tokyo. I absolutely do not want to be holding this. Richard Dowdy here in the house. Yo, man, I wish you won too, bro. I wish everybody here can win every single day, bro. I wish I had that many accounts. Crazy stuff. Does it scare you to be in an open position before Tokyo? Jason Step, it doesn't scare me. It does scare me if I'm on a funded account. Especially on an account that's got to pay out. Getting pretty close to payout, then yes, it does scare me. But if it's a funded account, I would not be you know, getting into a trade right before the Tokyo anyways. So oh man, what a nasty pullback here, guys. How much drawdown do I have here? I've got $1,200 drawdown. Oh my god, dude, 45. Can you stop the love? Crazy. Wow. I need a tissue, guys. 1 second. Too much water. Oh yeah. Thank you, dude. I mean, not dude. That's your name, so I'm gonna have to call you dude, right? Oh my god, guys, I knew it. I fucking knew it. I just knew it, guys. Oh my god, this fucking ah! I knew it, guys. I mean, I forgot I was even on a trade, by the way. I forgot. Sorry, guys. I forgot that I was in a trade. I don't want to lose this account, by the way.
Order filled. Order rejected. Order filled. Order rejected.
God, man, I put myself into such a deep hole for no reason. What a waste of time. Getting stuck in this stupid trade, to be honest, man. God, I hate myself sometimes, guys, man. Somebody help me. Somebody help me, please. Getting tired of this BS sometimes. Really annoying the heck out of me. The market is sneaky, right? Just as when I was crying, it's got to make a move, right? It's going to make a move. Just as when I was crying, everybody. Believe it or not, that's exactly what happened. Now, no more tears in my eyes anymore, guys. No more tears. Oh, my God. Fuck you.
Order filled.
Cappuccino. All right, guys. I flipped to short and I took a quick what do you call this? Snap down, and I'm down about $700. So it's not as bad, but I still have $800 drawdown. So we'll see. Oh my God, guys, this could have been a lot worse. I probably would have ended up blowing this account. I do not want to blow this account though. That's the problem. God, guys, I've got to shut down my camera, like my video camera. I've got to shut it down. I think the market's watching me crying, and then it's like, okay, well, I think this is a perfect time to kind of pull back here. Just as when tears in my eyes. Well, what can I say, right? Gonna look for maybe a little pullback here, I guess. Yeah, that's right, T2G. You're right. Absolutely. They don't need my visuals. So we are kind of pulling back here. I gotta do this perfectly, guys, or I'm gonna end up blowing this account, by the way. So I've got to be really careful here. All right, guys, I'm going to be looking for that 617 bounce into. Unless we get a rejection off the level, guys. We'll see. I am annoyed. Of course I'm annoyed. Oh. That came in pretty close. Oh. Man, if this is the bounce, I'm going to get really mad.
Order filled.
All right, guys. I entered short on the bounce into the 621, guys. Am I gonna survive this trade? Possibly. Let's see what happens here, guys. I got about $800 drawdown, so I'm just gonna have to look for just, you know, maybe $100, $200 trade, a quick little trade. 40 was the iceberg. 40. Oh, looks like we're getting a little bounce, guys. Man, what a bounce off that EMA. What a perfect entry on that one. So you get a pullback here, guys, into the 600 area. My TP is not going to change. It's going to be there at 609. That's where my TP is at the moment. Oh man, I mean twice, guys, twice. It's got to do that, right? Twice, guys, twice. I mean, you've got to do this, right? Twice in a row, guys. Right here, twice. Twice, right there. Got pretty close, and it would just got to bounce. Maybe it's my fault. Trying to be cute, trying to find a better TP area. Or maybe it's time to get filled here right now, guys. Maybe this is on watch at the moment. It's got it.
Order
Yes!
filled.
Woo! Down only $400, guys. What a scramble! What a scramble here! Holy mochaccino! Yeah, take profit trader 50% off ends in 2 days, and that's 3 days to pass as well. So. Again, everybody, I want to thank you guys for using the code Tiger as well as always to get the most humble discount. Thank you guys. So much love every single night being here with us. By the way, guys, I go live in the mornings too. Today was a bit of a no bueno. Did not have a good day with the evals, but yeah, but we go live at least twice a week in the mornings too, right? So just make sure to hit that notification bell, guys, to always get notified every time we go live, okay? And if you are new to this channel tonight, welcome. Great to see you here. And Dude45, thank you so much for your donation to the channel. And thank you to all the YouTube members. And thank you to all the Tiger Vibes on our Discord community for showing so much love and making the Discord very active with a lot of information. I see that every single night, every single day. So thank you so much. And in the meantime, back into the 586. Let's, man, this, as much as I love to try to go long here, okay. In the meantime, guys, in the meantime, I'm gonna have to, we'll do the take profit trader draw again. Hold on 1 second, guys. We got over 600 tickets. That's I've not seen that before. We used to have like 500 tickets even when we had over 500 viewers every single night a couple of months ago. Now we got like 300 viewers and we got 600 tickets, so it's pretty wild. I don't even know what to tell you. So many tickets, crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna do a shotgun here. I'm gonna have to do shotgun. So we can do a 1 minute shotgun and we'll shut it off and we'll call it the winner, okay? That's probably the way to go. Yeah, so we'll do 1 minute shotgun. The members get more tickets, but I'll adjust that right now. Just to I didn't know we get 9. We'll do 5 because I already had members giveaway here, so we'll do 5. And then just give me 1 minute, guys. I'll set it up. So we'll go ahead and do the giveaway. It's gonna be a shotgun for 1 minute, and then we'll close the entries. So it's kind of like fair and square for everybody. Okay, so we're getting a little bounce here, guys. Gonna be looking for that little crazy little man. I want to just be above 25k. That's really what I'm looking for at the moment. So can we get a little? Oh man, I mean. Oh, it's gonna be Lucid account giveaway. What a nice little bounce, guys, into the 605. I wonder what's gonna be here. I'm gonna try to go long. Oh man, almost hit my limit order. And of course, you got to bounce off that level.
Order filled.
Oh, there we go, guys. My order got filled. Let's try to see if we can actually get a bounce back into the 610. At least 610. All right, looking for the bounce into 610, guys. Or maybe not. Maybe I shouldn't be in this trade. Oh, looks like we're getting a bounce, guys. Just a little more. Just a little more, please. Like, can you make it happen? Can you just give me a little more bounce here into the 612? Like 6 points? Can we get 6 more points bounce? If I did it again. Okay, let's go, man. We are down. We're down to $200 red, net red. Everybody, booyah! Well, let's go, guys. Let's go. All right. Shotgun is ready. Ready. That was a nasty. See, I mean, we did this sometimes. I mean, Tokyo, man. So mean. Tokyo, right? I mean, you really had to get a nasty pullback on Tokyo to put me down like to $1,200. I was red. $1,200, guys. God, I hate it so much. It's regrettable. Okay, so 1 second. This is a shotgun. By the way, we got a 1 minute. And that's it. Guys, ready? Lucid 25k account giveaway here right now, guys. It is on. Type in exclamation tiger. And let's go. Let's get it, guys. $40 seconds to go, and the market is getting a bounce. Crazy little bounce, guys. I'm gonna try to show this right here.
Order filled.
All right, I showed it. I showed it. I showed it here. I need that little pullback here down. A quick little pullback into 630s. All right, guys, I'm going to close the entries now. Shit, guys, I'm down. Oh my god. What a bounce. What a V-shaped bounce. You gotta love what you guys see, really. Wow. What kind of a bounce is this, guys? Wow, it's crazy. So I did close the entries, guys. So just give me 1 minute. I'm trying to close this trade before I can go ahead and do the giveaway call out.
Order filled.
Oh my god. I mean, really, guys? Really? Is that what I'm going to be getting? Am I going to get punished? Trying to short this right into that 6-4. I mean, you had no pullback, guys. I mean, this is a straight in one line. Like, what? After that nasty pullback, you end up getting a bounce like that? I mean, that's crazy. Are you kidding me? Really? Straight in one line. I don't think my entry is that bad, to be honest. I mean, it's just that when you have this sort of a momentum push, I mean, this is the kind of a momentum push that I like, but you're getting, you know, at a time where you're not really expecting, especially during the Globex and Tokyo. I mean, I'm not like, yeah, it's once in a while you get this sort of a move, but I mean, in for most part, you know, you get some kind of a pullback before you get a bounce, right? So this is probably, yeah. I mean, it's been a while since I actually had something like this. I was straight in one line. We did not even get a pullback, not even a bearish wick either. So maybe we get in that right now. I'm not sure, but if you do, I'm gonna get out, right? So maybe we get in that right now, guys. We'll see. Again, it's gonna get a bounce. I mean, seriously, right at that level. God, man, it's got to be that level, guys. The EMA. You got to love this. You really have to love this, man. Fuck. Can we get a little break? We're getting a bullish candle on a 30 minutes chart. So on a longer time frame, looking pretty bullish. But I mean, we got a pullback. It's just that the pullback was just, you know, a minimal 646, and that's a bounce off the EMA. So I wonder if we are going to get a bit of a, you know, yeah, it's just not looking likely, man. I don't know. It's tough to say. I may have to find a perfect entry on my third contract if I do. This looks like a next leg to the upside, like a bull flag. So I don't know. We have to get a bit of rejection here too, in order to kind of see this thing pull back. But boy, am I annoyed? Absolutely. Let's see if I can get out of this trade though. I mean, it's gonna try to pull back, you know, a fake little pullback here just right before my entry, and it's gonna get a bounce. Watch. My god. I did close the entries, by the way, so just so you know. As promised. I think, yeah, I think I'm gonna go down. Looks like another leg to the upside, maybe. Do we get a pullback before we get a bounce? Possible. But what kind of a pullback we're gonna get here is another question. I need to find a better entry. So man, guys, man, no pullback. I want to look for the better entry, guys. Let's say a bounce into the 680, and then look for my average to be somewhere in that 660. And we probably have a better chance of a pullback there. But my account's gotta be able to survive though. Look, every EMA we've been holding, every EMA, guys. Look how beautiful this is. The market is bullish, right? That's really what it is. Every time when you have stuff like this kind of take place, the market is absolutely bullish. Yeah, the market is absolutely bullish, guys. Right? This is what we've been getting all this time. It is bullish. Yeah, we're getting the bid right now. Every single level, every minor pullback, it's been bought. So let's see. Maybe it just kind of feels a little heavy here. Now that we have not got any sort of a pullback here. All this. Maybe we're getting a little bit of a consolidated move right now. So maybe we get a little pullback here down, I would say. Maybe, I don't know. Right into the VWAP. And then we try to get a bounce off that level, guys. Oh, maybe I get a chance here. Maybe I get a chance. Don't tell me you're going to get a bounce off this level. Don't tell me.
Order filled.
Don't tell me. Don't tell me. Don't tell her. One more. One more. Let's go.
Order filled.
Booyah. Ooh, okay. I feel better now, guys. I feel better. StockTiger is back. Ah, what a stressor. What a stressor. Okay, friends. We are back again. You know, we can talk about whatever you guys want to. It's okay. I'm here. Let's have some fun. What we're supposed to do? Oh yeah, we got a giveaway, guys. We got to do a giveaway, right? Oh my god. I wish I held on to my position just for a little longer. I am so bad. Why did you have to take your profit so early, StockTiger? Were you afraid? Were you afraid? Just tell me yes. Oh my god. Ooh. You gotta love it. What an entertainment here, guys, man. What a roller coaster in this market. What? I'm not gonna touch this, guys. I'm not touching this. I'm not touching this market anymore. Don't even try, StockTiger. I'm already up now, so I'm only down about $200. So I'm gonna maybe walk away on this one. Not going to be trading this bad boy. I'll let it be as is for now. I don't wanna let it be the one. Yes, I do. Okay. What was it supposed to do, guys? Oh yeah, the giveaway. All right, guys, I'm gonna call out the winner, and I'm gonna give you guys 45 seconds to let me know that you are the winner, right? So 45 seconds, guys. Good luck, everybody. Oh, let's get it. I'm gonna pick the winner, and the winner goes to. The winner goes to Mr. FS Trade. 45 seconds to let me know you are here with us. FS Trades. Miss K here in the house. Let's go. Real Estate Vancouver. FS Trade is here. Oh no. My mornings. FS Trade, I'm gonna have to have you DM, of course, me. Ship me up on Discord so I can go ahead and take your account, okay? Everybody, I think it's that time of the day. I'm gonna walk away and get something to eat, take a little break, and we'll see you guys back tomorrow. Same time, Globex Asia at 5:45 p.m. Eastern Time. I hope you all have a great rest of the night. I want to thank you guys, honestly. I want to thank you, all of you, for your support to the channel and being here every single night with us as well. Guys, by the way, if you're new here to the channel, you also know I go live in the mornings too, at least twice a week, everybody. At least twice a week at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time in the morning, guys. Make sure to hit that notification bell to always get notified every time I go live, okay? And we got tons of giveaways every single night. We do it live with everybody. So love to see you guys back. Anyways, everyone, have a great night. We'll see you guys back. Thank you so much. God bless everybody. Thank you so much once again. And goodbye. Take care, guys. Take care to all of you. Casido, Donna, Tobe, Sinister, Riyadh, Jason Step, Real Estate Vancouver, SQ Min. Everybody, take care and peace. Love you guys. Bye.